Your pre-market summary for Friday, July 8th. Little changed as far as futures are concerned ahead of June. Non-farm payrolls due out at 8:30 this morning. Wait and see approach here in the pre-market ahead of what should be a market-moving event for futures. Anyways, join us at 8:30. We'll have that number for you and talk a little bit about what it means going forward. Overall, though, the market coming off another positive session on Thursday. It was 4 in a row, in fact, for the S&P. We are a little changed, as I mentioned, to start things off this morning. The NASDAQ here down 0.5% after it led things back higher on Thursday. The TSX futures here in Toronto slightly red as well. Bottom end, more negativity coming back in. We'll have a look at oil. Big move back to the upside yesterday for not only crude oil, but a lot of the energy stocks and oil producers along with it. More news surrounding Occidental this morning. Yeah, Buffett back in there buying up more. But overall, futures little change here ahead of the June jobs report coming up at 8:30, as I said. GME, yeah, getting rid of their CFO back to the downside this morning after a decent move yesterday. If you remember on the 4-for-1 stock split news, you can see a nice day yesterday. We're back down to about this 129, 130 area here in the pre-market. Upstart, huge move to the downside here, right back to these lows for Upstart right now after it came out with preliminary results that were well below its prior forecast. Twitter back on watch this morning as well. Some more speculation that the deal could possibly fall apart with Elon Musk. So down about 4% here in the pre-market. OXY, as I said, yeah, another 12 million shares picked up by Berkshire over the past couple of days. And we'll have a look at Levi Strauss. My data's not working here, but Levi Strauss, trust me when I say, is higher in the pre-market after a better than expected quarterly report and forecast for them as well. Should be an exciting Friday, guys. Make sure you join us at 8:30. Grab the watch list on its way out to you right now. You can use the QR code on screen. Get set for the June non-farm payrolls report coming up at 8:30. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.